Alright, this is a video for 1HT about a couple of difficult exercises that you have to do today. For example, we have 76 and then the last three, which are a bit more difficult than the other ones. So let me show you how they work. Here it says a to the power of 3 times in brackets a to the power of 9 and then that squared. Now what you just learned today is that if you have a power to a power, you need to multiply these numbers. So the outcome of that is a to the power of 18. But we still have the a to the power of 3 in front of it. If you multiply the same letter, then you add the power. So this is a to the power of 21. Alright? So to sum up, first you do the power to the power, and then you multiply them, and then you have the answer. So I'm going to do the same thing over here. First we have the x, and then we're going to do this first. So x to the power of 12 to the power of 10 will be x to the power of 120. And then you multiply them, and there's actually a 1 here, so it's going to be x to the power of 121. Going to the next one, here we see the thing in the brackets twice, so we're going to take a look at this one first. 3 times 4 is 12, and then 6 times 3 is 18. And when you multiply them, you can just add it. 12 plus 18 is 30. So this is how that works. Moving on to 77, here you can see it's more difficult because now there's more than one letter in the brackets. So let me show you how that works. Here we have a, just a regular a, to the power of 4, so that will be a to the power of 4. But here we have b to the power of 3, so if you do that to the power of 4, you will get 12. And the same goes for the c. 3 times 4 is 12, so this is the answer. Moving on to the next one, this works the same, but now there's also a minus here. Now the minus means it's just minus 1. Minus 1 to the power of 7 is still going to be negative. Right? Negative times negative would be positive, but you have an odd number of minuses, so the outcome will be negative. Then we have an x to the power of 7. Then we have y to the power of 6 to the power of 7. So you have to multiply them, so that's 42. And then we have z. 5 times 7 is 35. So this is your answer. Minus x to the power of 7, y to the power of 42, z to the power of 35. Then we're going to 77i. Here we have p squared. And then we have q to the power of 6. Then there's a times here, so I'm going to write that down. And then here we have 6 times 3 is 18. And we have 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, so we worked out the brackets, and now we're going to just see if we can multiply this with each other. We have p squared and p to the power of 18, so that's p20, and then you have 6 and 9 is q to the power of 15. So this is how these exercises work. Thank you for watching.